Diba? Walang nire-reserve nila ang kanilang lakas mamaya. Siren here! Ay, hello po!
Go Siren! Go Siren! Go Siren! Go Siren! Go!
Welcome back!
Hello! Hi, Siren! Okay, ready? Hi, Serial. So how do you feel now that you are...
Oh my gosh, finally, this is really happening because I've been waiting for this for a long time, more than a year. So of course, I'm very excited. And yeah, once again, I have the Philippine sash. So I'm just so excited.
Can you tell us about your departure outfit?
Yes, my departure outfit made by Andre from Negros Occidental. And me and my stylist make sure that we collaborate each regional. So parang at least from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, like we really collaborated with all the designers. So yeah, it's a combination of Vietnam and Filipino fashion style.
How many luggages do you have?
Actually 4. So other luggages kasi ang team ko ang magdadala. So yeah.
And you have the national costume.
Yes, my national costume is with me. So I can't wait to show it to everybody. Yeah.
Sorry, what was your last minute preparation for this competition?
We actually had the last final stretch kanina together with Mama J and Ian. So from the pasarela, from my styling, gowns and all. So we really made sure to be more ready talaga. So we never wasted time. Kanina from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. andun kami sa studio talagang ni-ready namin lahat-lahat.
The competition will be held in
Yeah, in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam on December 12 and preliminary naman is on December 10. So please mark your calendar on December 10 and December 12. It's really important. This one is sentimental for me kasi finally tuloy na! Yes! I'm so excited! Sobra!
Do you have any hints about your national costume?
My national costume? Maybe siguro different culture ng Vietnam and also the Philippines. So yun muna. Yun muna talaga. Yeah.
Okay, finally, after more than a year, you're competing internationally. So how do you keep the momentum of excitement in spite of the long wait?
Actually, it hasn't been easy to keep the momentum after winning. But I've learned to trust the process. I've learned to be more patient. And finally, it's really happening. So now, I think the momentum that I had before, maybe last year, mas better pa ngayon. So I can say that this is really the right time for me to compete.
Invite mo naman yung mga pageant fans natin sa voting. Alam namin may voting sa Miss World.
Yes, please do vote for me, guys, kasi the voting will be happening tomorrow, officially tomorrow, and we will be officially, automatically to be part of top 10 if ever. So please don't forget to vote for me. Magbayanihan tayo ulit for the first crown of Miss Charm in the Philippines.
Okay, what is something new or something fresh that you could bring to the stage of Miss Charm and share it to your Miss Charm sister?
I'm really thinking about this last year pa. While waiting for my turn, I'm really asking for advice for my mentor, to Empire and all. So I just can't wait to show to everybody what I've been preparing for. And maybe the faith that I've had while waiting, siguro yun talaga yung nagbibigay ng strength sa akin to be able to show what I can do to the international stage.
Message mo sa lahat ng supporters ng
Well, to all of
kumapit.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I can feel them kasi since last year they were asking me when will be my competition, is it cancelled, is it moved? So this time around, tuloy na po. I have my sash with me, I have my Philippine sash. So maraming salamat po to all the people who still trust in me. So this is it, this is all for you guys. So kapit lang because this journey begins today. And I can't wait to show to everybody what we have been preparing for so long.
Sairi, were you able to speak with Kayla, who was our representative?
Yes, actually, last year pa, kasi we're friends with Kayla. So, na-share niya sa akin yung journey niya. So, isa rin yung nakatulong sa akin for this journey as well.
And are you wearing Kapampangan designers?
Actually, my preliminary and final gown. Sila talaga yung designer. I'm open, hindi na ko naman kinikip. Preliminary gown is Mikey Chan, and I'm proud because he's been with me for a long time. So I think this time around, I wanted to give him the trust that I had. So na-approve naman kay Mama J, Lone Paris, and also Bench Legyab. Kasi my first international, he was my designer. And I believe that this is Miss Charm. I think he's my lucky charm as a designer as well.
Is it your first time in Vietnam?
It's my first time in Vietnam.
And did you go through language lessons, Vietnamese lessons?
Yes, and also their culture. Talagang pinag-aralan ko lahat-lahat because I really want to be more ready.
Cheryl, the competition is fast approaching. How do you feel right now and what is your mindset?
I'm just so excited. I'm focused. Ang tagal kong nanahimik, but it doesn't mean I'm not preparing. It just means talagang iniisip ko anong strategy na naman ang gagawin ko this time. Of course, while waiting, I've also learned to support and clap for my batch, for my co-queens. So this time around, I'm just so happy na andyan din sila. So yeah, parang I really have a good support system right now.
And this is your second time to compete sa international pageants. So when it comes to your preparation, how will you rate it from 1 to 10?
I could say 9.9. I can't even say that perfect 10 kasi we're still getting there. Every day, I really wanted to improve. I really wanted to be better. So until coronation, doon ko talaga ma-rate if it's perfect 10. But I want to make sure to all of you, every day gagawin ko lahat para dito. Ilalaban natin.
What is your biggest inspiration going to Vietnam?
My biggest inspiration, my family talaga. Kasi they have been with me through good and bad, through highs and lows. They have been with me. Actually, andito yung parents ko. They came from Pampanga pa. So, hindi ko rin na-expect kasi they are so busy. So, yeah, they are my lucky charm. They are my greatest lucky charm talaga.
Why should you be the first Filipina Miss Charm?
Why should I be? Well, I've poured my heart to this journey and I really wanted to show to Miss Charm what can Filipino do through our values, through my determination, through my strength. I know that I could be able to win on the international stage and I'm ready.
Wow! Laban!
Laban!
Sample naman ng
sample ng intro mo.
Rampa muna din.
Wait lang Side.
Rampa muna din.
Rampa muna, be. Rampa muna, tapos introduce.
Ready? Okay na?
Pakita mo! Kahit mahusay! Pasarela! Mahusay! Pasarela!
Okay po, kamay. Konti.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Cyril Primo, Philippines!
Irene po.
Alay ba?
Sorry. Excuse me. Ay, sorry.
Ayaw talaga.
Good luck, Cyril!
Oo, yung ano terminal.
Good luck, Cyril!
Hindi pa. Seren lang.
Para magaling ka tayo.
Cyril, kaya mo yan. Laban. Nakalaga. Haggard ba? Dito po. Okay.
Miss Charm, bye!
Kaya masukin nyo natin.
Bye, Sai. Go.
Kaya nagsiga ka sa nanay mo.
Sai lang mo. Perfect. Go. Yung gatas mo nasa maleta, ha?
Ang gatas mo.
Yung mo. Yung bibo mo sa likod.
Bye, Francis. Goodbye. Bye-bye.